So good evening everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn some important topics, that is page layout and compact layout, record types, quick and global actions. Okay, and we can see practically how it will work at the Salesforce org. Okay, so first we can discuss with page layout. Okay, so what is page layout? So page layout is nothing but where it will control the how the page looks to the user. For example, like when you apply for the job, the form asks for like your name, your email and experience and skills like that. So the form that decided by the company, right? So the company decides which fields to show to the user and in what order and which are mandatory. Okay, that form design, that is nothing but page layout. Okay, so in Salesforce, for example, there are account records like that. So admin decides like show phone or industry and hiding the fax numbers and arrange the sections like address details, like that. Okay, so simply we can say page layout equal to controls the complete page structure. And we can set also field is required through the page layout, not only through the validation tools. Okay, simply we can say that page layout is nothing but it will controls how the page looks to the user. Okay, let us jump into our org and I will explain it. Okay. Yeah, this is our app, right? Yeah, we can go to setup and we can set one page layout. Okay, we can design page layout for the contact object. Okay, so okay, let's do for account. Yeah, here only account there. Okay, here you can see page layouts. So I'm choosing the account layout, so and I will show how. It is taking this much of time. Let me open it. Okay, so okay, here we can set for example so we can arrange like this. Okay, so now I want to remove all these. I don't want this, so we can remove by clicking on this minus and all. Okay, so I don't want this one also. Here, this one also I don't want. Okay, so now I can arrange. I want email to here only. Here I don't want also. Sorry. Yes, sample text and rating I want like this. Okay, so here is how we can create which fields are required and all. So for example, we can make a field is required. So for example, click on account type. Sorry, click on this properties and you can make the field is required. Okay, so if you type this, then the star mark will appear. Then without entering the type, the user cannot save the record. Okay, So this is how we can create the page layouts. So inside the page layout we can set the buttons and custom links, quick actions, everything we can through the this page layout. Okay, so now you can set also here the annual employee. So which field, which field you need to showcase order wise, ascending order wise, like descending, like that. However, we can create the page layout according to our preferences. Okay, so after doing all that, you can simply quick save. Okay. If you go on open this account layout, then automatically the changes will appear. Okay, so let's see. Actually we have created let us open the app. Yeah, hospital management. Actually we have we made type as required. So let's see, it came here not. Okay, so click on new. Okay, okay. So since it will take, mine it is not correct, so it will take a lot of time. Okay, so this is how we can do the page layout. Now next is, okay, compact layout. So we can discuss compact layout like that. For example, we all know Aadhaar card, right? So in Aadhaar card, we what we generally will appear your name and your address and your date of birth, like that. Okay, so these are the most important field for the Aadhaar card. So in Aadhaar card, actually it will highlighted through the big letters, and in the separate section they have like that. So in the Salesforce also we can create some important fields only to appear on the top of the page. That is about the compact layout. Simply we can say that for highlighting the panel. Okay, so for highlighting the panel we can use the compact layout. Through the compact layout we can show whatever the fields we want to highlight, which means that want to show yeah, let's do for this. Okay, so now I'm go to cases. Now I can create for cases, then we will get a lot of clarity. Okay, so first see any object. Okay, so here you can see the case record has the compact layout, that is priority, status and case number, right? So we can this is the name. Actually it will appear as in the bold, the first field. Okay, so you can't change, you can't change it. Okay, okay, now we can, which fields can be highlighted for this. Okay, let's see. Which are the fields? Okay, let's create one. If you go to new one, then we can okay, we can make the case origin and case type and case reason. Okay, we can highlight in the panel. Go to the case object. Okay, and go for compact layout. Okay, here you need to create one compact layout. So already this is system default. Now we can create one new one. Now I'm creating case layout. Okay, so whatever the name you want we can give. Now I want to give subject and type, also a case number, case number don't want, case origin and case reason. Okay, these fields I am highlighting in the panel. Okay, after that click save. After that we need to publish, we need to assign. Okay, compact layout assignment. Click on compact layout assignment and edit this assignment. Okay, you can replace with the case layout whatever that we have created. Okay, now we can go and check. Okay, okay, click on new. Why it is, yeah, sorry, click already any new one, old one. Okay, so still it is not changed. Let us refresh here. Okay, if you see, previously it showed priority and case number like that only, but after highlighting the case creating the compact layout, then it is showing case type, case origin and case reason. This is how we can highlight the fields in the compact layout. Okay, this is all about the compact layout. Yeah, that is about the, simply you can say that for highlighting the panel we use the compact layout, whichever the fields we need to highlight, visible to the user. Okay, next is record types. So what is record types? So record, for example, think of we have one object. So think of it like that is one customer object. Okay, so inside the customer object there are some sales fields and service fields, both fields available in the same object. For example, if any user want to if the sales user want to enter only the sales fields, then by mistakenly if he entered the service related field, then what will happen? Then it will might be confused. Okay, so to avoid that confusion, we use the record types. For example, sales user can see only the sales fields and service user can see only the service fields. Okay, this is how we can create the record types. So if you create one record type as sales user, then sales user click on that record type and he will enter the all the fields whichever he related to him only. And coming to the service people, so service user can open his record type and he will also able to fill all the fields which is related to only him. So to avoid the confusion between the users and what we can say users, so that we can go with the record types. Okay, so actually we have doctor details, right? So first of all I will show. Okay, so no. Okay, let us create for appointment object. Okay, so we can create record types. Okay, based on scheduled, completed, cancelled. Okay, based on the appointment status we can schedule the we can create the record types. For example, if the scheduled, then he will only so the user can only go to the scheduled if it is not completed. Okay, let us create for that appointment object, then we will get one clarity. Okay, appointment object. Yeah, appointment object. Okay, so based upon for example, if the appointment is scheduled, then upon scheduled field only will appear. Okay, now we can go for record types. Okay, we can create two more three record types. Okay, click on new. I'm creating new record type. Okay, so on the master only we need to create. Yeah, so scheduled record type. Okay, active So yeah, whatever, if you want put, put, otherwise we can leave it as blank. Okay, click on next and save. Okay, save a new. We can create another one. Okay, I need to select save. Okay, so now we can create appointment status. Why? Because we created on the status only, right? So scheduled only I want. Okay, cancelled I don't want. Save. Now create another one. For the completed also we can create one new one. Yeah, on March 20 we are creating schedule completed record type. We need to label it whatever the name you want you can give, but in real time projects the naming conventions are very important. Okay, remember that. I don't want to give anything. Now I'm clicking on next. Okay, just we can create for only two, scheduled and completed. Okay. Sorry, save. Okay, now we can assign the page layout. Okay, so yeah, for new page layout assignment, first so now you can see, if you click on new, then all fields will appear like this only. Okay, so schedule and everything. So to avoid this confusion, then we are creating the record types. Remember this. Okay, now now for completed one I am going to create appointment object only. For the scheduled type, okay, we don't want it right now. Okay, save. For the completed record type only. Actually it will take some time. Okay, now we can create for completed one also. Sorry, record types, right? Completed account. So yeah, now we can assign for scheduled. Edit assignment, same like previous, like that only. Now scheduled one I am also assigning appointment one. Okay, click on save. So must and should, if you want to use record types, you need to assign page layout. Okay, yeah, now let us see. It will take some time to reflect. Okay, actually okay, click on you. I think it takes some time. Yeah, it is not appearing. It will take some time. Okay, please let wait. Okay, it is not appearing. Actually I have created for one billing information, then I will show it. Okay, so click on new. This is how we can create the record types. Sorry, why it is. Okay, so I have created record types for the billing information. If the user is going to be pay regarding the UPI related, then UPI will be selected. Okay, if the user want to pay from the cash payment, then we can select the record type as cash payment only. Okay, so these are the record types how we can create. So for example, I will show it. If you go on master, then if you click on next, then you will see here, you can see all the sub payment method, UPI, net banking, each and everything. Okay, in the master only. If you go to the UPI related, then it will show only UPI related. Okay, and you don't need to select any, and it also doesn't give any more options apart from that. Okay, if you select cash payment, then it will display cash only. Okay, actually it will take some time to reflect in the appointment object, that's why I am showing here. Okay, cash. So this is how you can create the record types. Okay, this is all about record types. Now what? Okay, so now we are going to discuss about quick and global actions. Okay, so what are quick and global actions means? So quick action is nothing but for example, we have the appointment object, right? So patient object. One in the patient object, the receptionist or someone will enter the all the patient details. Okay, so after entering the patient details, then patient want to select the appointment. So before the user want to go again to the appointment object and manually, and he need to enter all the details, right? So apart from that, we can create the appointment object in the patient object through the patient object only. Okay, so this is how we can create the quick action. So global action is nothing but quick action is object specific, and global action is we can perform throughout the throughout this org. Okay, this is about the global action. Quick action is nothing but inside the object only you can perform. For example, as previously I said, so if the patient details all entered, then I want to create the appointment object from the patient object only. So I don't want to go again appointment after creating the patient object. Again I don't want to go appointment object, and I don't want to create. So now I will show how to create. Okay, so once I'm going to create a patient object. Okay, patient details. Okay, quick actions. So here you can set but links and actions. So first I will show new action. Okay, later I will show new button, how to put buttons and links. So actually I want to create one new record. So once after entering the patient details, I need to create the appointment record. So here I am selecting create record. Here you can also send email, log a call, and update the record as well. Okay, these all you can perform through the quick action. But now I just want to create one record. So here the target object is appointment. Record type is master only. Okay, create new record only. Label type. Okay, new record only I'm creating. Create appointment for patient. Okay, description, and you can here also set the successful message. Okay, appointment successfully created for the patient. Whatever the message you want, you can give. Okay, save. Now you need to assign in the okay. Save and go to the page layout, and you need to drag that link. Okay, so I want appointment date. So what are the fields you want to create? Appointment type, on time, location, okay, and appointment ID. Don't want, whatever the fields you want you can create. Okay, I just want only these four. Yeah, and click save and go to page layouts. Go to the patient details page layout and you need to drag that. Okay, here you can see sorry, yeah, you need to drag this quick actions. Okay, sorry, quick actions, right? Okay, now I want to quick actions. Okay, create one new appointment. I want to put it here. Okay, remove this. I don't want this question. So here the quick action will perform. Yeah, click on quick save, then we can check. It will also take some time. Okay, go to I need to refresh here. This is how we can create quick actions. Let's see. Okay, on patient object we have created, right? Okay, click on new. Okay, enter something. Okay, 4, total bill amount 58,000. Okay, save it. So patient details is created. Now I want to sorry, where is that quick action? Okay, let's save it this also. Actually it will take some time to reflect. I don't want all these. Okay, you can create. Here it will appear. Okay, due to some network issues it is not showing, but it will reflect definitely. This is the process. We can create a quick action. Why? Sorry, on patient details, right? Okay, click on this one only. Here it need to appear. Why it is not coming? on patient details only have created, right? Quick save. Why? Actually, okay. So this is how we can create the quick actions. In tomorrow class I will show, okay, whether it created or not. So now we can create one button, okay. So I will show how to. For example, if you want to show, sorry, if you want to go to the any browse, sorry, for example we have the what it is, okay, patient details, right? Here if you want to add the any related button, for example the if you want to see any hospital information like that, so instead of going to the Google one, then if you created one button, then automatically it will redirect to the that page, okay. So I will show how to create that one. Yeah, okay, here you can go to with the buttons, links and actions. So actually we have created this one only, right? Okay. So now I will show how to create new button or link, okay. Now for example, okay, we can create for hospitals in Hyderabad, okay. So Hyderabad list, okay. So they want to go to this place, okay. So copy this. So once they click on this button, then automatically they need to redirect to this place, okay. Hospital info, I am giving it as, okay. Now yeah, yeah, list button, okay. So here I need to paste that one, okay. You can check syntax also if you want, otherwise you can, okay. So yeah, click on save, okay. Now you need to place that one, okay. So go to page layouts, patient details and hospital info you need to add, okay. Where it is, buttons, sorry, buttons, right? It is let us refresh it. Okay, let's see it, what happened. Hospital info, okay. Edit, The sidebar also. Okay, the new window will select. Okay, quick save. Now you need to drag that. Okay, page layout. So okay, actually it is not reflecting here. Where it is? Payload. Okay. Where this hospital info related? It is not appearing here. Why? Okay guys, previously I have created one in the another app. I will show it to you. Okay. You can create like that. Okay, actually this is the same process, but here it is not reflecting. And here I will show you. Okay, so here car models right there. Okay, if you click on this record, then actually I have created buttons for these. So if you click on this, then automatically it will redirect to this page. This is how we can create the buttons and links if you want to redirect to the another pages. Okay, so I have already created another one, car information. Okay, this is how we can create the buttons and links in the buttons and buttons in the quick actions. Okay, actually that should be work. Due to some network issues it is not showing. Okay, yeah, this is the process. So we can create the global action. You can also, not only for creating the record and checking, you can also do the in the quick actions. You can create, update, and also you can use the flow LWC as well. Okay, now I will show last, that is nothing but global actions. How can we create? Okay, so yeah, so if I show it, actually it will also take some time. In tomorrow class I will show all the changes what we have made today. Okay, this is the processes we can work. Okay, here you need to set global actions. Okay, global actions. So through the global actions you can perform throughout the org, not in the object specific. If the interviewer asks what is the main difference between quick action and global action, then you can say quick action is object specific and global action is throughout the Salesforce, or you can perform the actions. Okay, now I am going to create one new action. Here action type is, you can create email, send email, log a call. Okay, lightning component call, everything. So now I'm going to create send email. Okay, and the target object, standard label type, right? Email. Okay, name, email send. Okay, click on save. So after creating this you need to publish. You need to publish. Okay, so whatever the fields if you want you can create. Okay, so actually these fields enough. I don't want any than more than more. Okay, so quick save. So after clicking save, you need to publish this layout. Okay, yeah, publisher layouts. So actually we have created one new one, so I'm creating one new. Okay, on click on new. Okay, email sending global action. Okay, so I don't want these all, just only I want mail only. Actually we have created a email, right? So all three here coming, so let's see what will happen. You need to publish like that. Okay, so I'm deleting this to avoid the confusion. Yeah, replace. Okay, if you click on this without, it is not working. Okay, so now you can, let us refresh it. Okay, actually it will take some time to reflect. Okay, if you click on the plus, then the email what we created action will appear here. Okay, okay, so here it is coming. This is how we can create the global actions. Okay, so think of it like quick action is object specific. Within the object only you can create, but global actions you can perform throughout the org. Okay, yeah, that's it for today, guys. In tomorrow class I will show the all the changes what we have made today. Okay, actually I need to show, actually I showed quick action and global actions, then I need to show only which one, compact layout also, compact layout shown, page layout also shown. Yeah, record types also. Actually record types I have shown for billing object, I have created previously. So today I created for the patient object, right? So tomorrow I will show that the record type which I have created on today. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you.